So today I'm planning to go to the office and do some work. Uh, Maybe talk about another coin which I've got in mind. Hopefully, I'll be able to shoot that video today and have that uploaded soon. Who's a good guy? Who's a good guy? Who's a good guy? So it's great to be back in the studio this weekend. I had a really good time this morning in the park. So today, actually, I wanted to talk to you about a very interesting coin that I've been looking at for the past few months. It's actually going to be launched on the 2nd of August, which is tomorrow. And a great thing is that they've actually been published on Bloomberg Business Insider and Yahoo Finance, which I think is massive. Came into the studio this weekend so that I could make this video and share this coin with you guys. So let's get straight into it. The coin is called Landshare, and it's actually a real estate play with blockchain technology. What do I mean by that? It's actually merging two different industries together: blockchain technology, obviously what this channel is about, and real estate investments. This is a team or a group that's managed to combine these two together, which has now led to Landshare. So this coin is going to be launched tomorrow, or the 2nd of August. I'll put the pre-sale link in the description along with the rest of the details. Please watch this till the end. So Landshare is an alternative to real estate investments with the introduction of blockchain technology. So that's real estate on DeFi basically. I'm actually really glad that they built this on the Binance Smart Chain. It's actually one of my favorite networks. As usual, let's begin with the website. As you can see, guys, we're on the official website for Landshare. So they've got a really interesting website with a lot of information here. You can see they're launching an app soon. I'm guessing this is the app that you will use to stake your tokens in order to earn dividends on your investments. As you scroll lower, you can see that it mentions Landshare offers a hassle-free alternative to traditional real estate investments. So they're trying to bring about something new to the market. As you scroll lower, you can see that they've been published on Bloomberg, like I was saying, Business Insider, Yahoo. So coming to the features of the coin, I think there are three main features for the coin. The first thing, that it's trying to provide convenience to the customers or the investors, I think, where you don't need to pay any property taxes, or you don't need to do any KYC process in order to, invest in properties like the traditional methods. But I think now with blockchain technology and inventing a coin or a project like this essentially removes those hardships and makes it hassle-free for investors, which I think is great. The second feature is security. I know with traditional real estate investment methods, the property owner might be liable for damages or depreciation in property value, or vacancies. If the tenant decides to move out, then the owner of the property will not get rent anymore. So these are the drawbacks of the traditional investment methods for the real estate market. Whereas in this new method, you will not be liable for any of these damages or depreciation, which I think is great. So you're basically reducing your risk. It's risk mitigation here, in other words. Moving on to the last one is basically earning incomes. So you can earn income by staking stable coins on their platform, which I think is great. And the earning percentage is actually based on the rental value and the estimated appreciation of the US real estate market, basically. Moving on, you can see here, how does Landshare work? Investors can use the Landshare decentralized app to stake BUSD or stable coins in the property vault. There are no fees, and your investment can be withdrawn at any time. Stakers must hold Landshare tokens to use the vault. The property vault returns the rental value and estimated appreciation of real estate assets to stakers in a form of harvestable BUSD. I think once you stake BUSD in the vault, you get income in the form of BUSD based on the appreciation of the real estate market of the country of US. The final thing is, by using their app, you can get paid in Landshare tokens, which can also be further staked to get different compounding interest rates. This is the property vault model, the yield model. So you can see here, it's a good representation of how it works. You can go through this. Moving on to the token information, you can see that the tokens for sale is 150,000 and the token price is $1 currently. This is their fundraising goal, and the minimum contribution is yet to be decided. I think it's already decided and it's been updated on their Telegram group, and they've not updated this year, so please join their Telegram group if you'd like to know more. Going down, these are the different stages or rounds that they've had. Most of these rounds I've already completed. We are currently going to have the super launcher pre-sale tomorrow, which is on the 2nd of August. Coming to the team members, as you can see on their website that the team is obviously doxed. So we have 6 team members here, from someone from the CEO all the way to a community ambassador. One of the lead developers is also mentioned here, along with the director of marketing. So what was also informed to me by the team is that they've also signed additional developers to increase their total team strength to 11 members now, which I think is great. It also shows that the project has a lot of things that they want to achieve, and which is great. These are the goals for the coin, as you can see, from Q3 to Q4 of 2021, moving on into 2022. And this is the upcoming sales information, the pre-sales information for tomorrow. I will leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. What I'd also like to mention is the philosophy of this coin. I had a chat with a team member and they mentioned that the philosophy of their coin is to basically expand and refine the methods or way you can invest into real estate using blockchain technology or DeFi technology. This is a really interesting project and I really hope this kicks off. Make sure you do check it out. So guys, as I mentioned, the pre-sale for Landshare is tomorrow, August 2nd. I'll leave the link in the description. Please go check it out. In my opinion, it's a really interesting project. As usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research. Join the Telegram group. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure you ask questions so you fully understand what the project is about, and only when you're feeling confident, proceed to invest in it. Thank you again for watching this whole video and for supporting my channel. I'm trying to do as much content as possible and stay updated and be consistent. Also, I'm really excited to share that I've been working on something else. If everything goes well, I should be able to announce what that is within the next couple of weeks with everyone. Really excited for that. Thank you for your support so far. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're updated with all our future videos. Please also hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.